to disseminate the service of Ayurveda among public and to mainstream Indian system of medicine. Kaviraj Ananta Tripathi Sharma, a former member of parliament and Ayurveda physician, established the college on 15th August 1978, which subsequently recognized as KATS Ayurveda College and Hospital, Ankushpur, situated around 10 km from Berhampur railway station. A government college under Health and Family Welfare Department of Odisha and affiliated to Berhampur University, Bhanja Bihar. Lord Dhanvantari, the abode of Ayurveda, being worshipped with all spiritualism. Being the single premier institute of southern Odisha, this college and hospital is providing both outdoor and indoor facilities to patients. Around 200 patients at OPD and 100 patients at IPD level are daily receiving Ayurvedic treatment and medicine facilities from 8 specialized clinics. Specialized Kriyakalpa treatment like Tarpan for eye diseases, expertized Panchakarma treatment like Avyang, Shwedan, Basti for paralysis and other neurological disorders, leech therapy for hematological diseases are provided in this hospital. Anorectal diseases are cured by application of famous Khyara Sutra therapy. Well-equipped pathology laboratory having facilities of blood investigation, X-ray are made available to patients at free of cost. The college is imparting undergraduate BAMS course, that is Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicines and Surgery, for 5.5 years, including 1 year compulsory rotating internship training when students undergo clinical practices of both Ayurveda and modern treatment at College Hospital and City Hospital Berhampur respectively, and get a stipend of rupees 12,000 per month. 75 students take admission through NEET entrance followed by OJEE counseling in every year. College having well qualified and dedicated teaching faculties and doctors recruited through OPSC. All the classes are conducted by concerned expert teacher through modernized audio-visual system. The basic principles of Ayurveda and its classical texts like Charak Samhita, Ashtanga Hridaya are taught in Sanskrit, being translated and interpreted into English language, while students get an insight to anatomy through cadaveric dissection and physiological system through various physiological models and exposure to many biochemical investigations. To guide and train the scholars with proper identification of herbal drugs, Department of Dravya Gun has a well-maintained herbal garden comprising of various medicinal plants and rare species. This department has also its own museum containing teaching model, charts, dried rock samples and different varieties of fresh preserved specimens. A mini pharmacy where medicines for the patient along with the students' training purposes are manufactured. College has a yoga wellness center which provides yoga facilities to public under supervision of a yoga expert. Department of Agatantra, that is toxicology and medical jurisprudence, is imparting teaching in the medico-legal aspects. Patients with different gynecological and obstetric disorders like infertility, tubal blockage and menstrual problems are treated with medicine as well as minor surgical procedures along with local Ayurvedic therapies. Garbha Sanskar, a mission to procreate healthy progeny through Ayurvedic treatment, is also running through special OPD in every week. Children of various pathologies like cerebral palsy, epilepsy are treated through Sirodhar Sirovasti. Immunization program for children in the name of Swarna Prashan are done throughout the year. Patients with all sorts of general ailments along with specialized geriatric treatment facilities are being provided by the specialists in this hospital. Clinical demonstration of patients by expert teachers of each department to students at bedside are conducted in all clinical departments as routine activity. The college has a well-equipped library containing various books, journals and periodicals where students can enrich their knowledge. College is also having 2 newly constructed separate hostels for both girls and boys with all amenities including mess and canteen services for staff and students. Students visit on study tour every year for exposure to different Ayurvedic colleges, pharmaceutical companies and botanical gardens across country under the guidance of an expert teacher. This college manifolds various kinds of cultural fest, extracurricular activities like organizing webinar, orientation, CME programs, NSS event and public health camp from time to time. Students of this college are being acknowledged at national platform, winning IQs and securing good rank at MD entrances, which enabling them to get admitted into good colleges at national and state level. Students after completing BAMS courses are pursuing PG course, Government Medical Officer Service through OPSC, pharmaceutical job at handsome salary along with private practices at various multi-speciality clinics. In a nutshell, an excellent institute with a unique blend of outstanding academic and clinical atmosphere. Best of all, the perfect amalgamation of both ancient science of Ayurvedic principle integrated with modernized facilities is visualized here. That is your KATS Ayurveda College and Hospital, Ankushpur.